Aaron Crowley with FabricatorsFriend.com. In this video, we're going to show you our Fab Coat. This is an incredible stoneworking development. If you like our bulletproof aprons and our sleeves, you're going to love this jacket because it incorporates it all with some amazing advantages. So I'm going to put the jacket on and then tell you about them. So first and foremost, what are the similarities? Well, number one, the sleeves are just like our stone sleeves. They have the waterproof wrist seal that keeps 100% of the water out from dripping down into your armpit and soaking your sweatshirt or your jacket. Number two, it's got the 1000 denier cordura down the front of the jacket and over the zipper enclosure. The advantage to that is as you're working against rough stone, diamond abrasives, and the silica working into it, it's absolutely going to retain its waterproof nature. Now, speaking of the waterproof nature, one of the things that differs on the Fab Coat is that it does not use the 210 denier cordura with the polyurethane backing. The problem with that material is that it doesn't breathe. So when you've got this jacket on and zipped up and the hood on, there's no way for that perspiration and for that airflow. So you end up sweating so much that you think the jacket is leaking. Well, we had to go to a Gore-Tex-like material that's not only extremely waterproof, but breathable at the same time. That's why this jacket costs a little bit more than you might expect. The other advantage to this jacket is the hood. It's actually got a Coast Guard style hood that's just big enough to go over any earmuffs that you might wear if you like that type of hearing protection. Beyond that, you can zip it up. You've got the pencil holder on the front. So in addition to that, there's one more feature I want to talk about on this jacket, but I'm going to take it off so I can show it to you. So one of the realities of using waterproof wrist seals is that it's rubber, and over time it begins to break down and wear out. So after a couple of years, if the sleeve was to fail because of the wrist seal, the entire jacket would essentially be useless. But we came out with a fantastic advantage. We've got a replaceable sleeve. So over time, as that wrist seal breaks down and needs to be replaced, you can buy replacement sleeves. Super easy to change them out. You lift up this cover, you detach the Velcro, and you replace the sleeve, and this jacket will last for years.